Did you guys see the massive update on the official Solana account on X? I can safely call this the biggest airdrop of 2026. Seriously, people are pulling $100 or even $500 just for participating right now. Look at this official announcement from their Twitter. It's confirmed and it's live, but the pool is filling up fast, so you need to move. All you have to do is head over to met-sol.trade. I've put the link in the description and the pinned comment for you. Once you're on the site, just hit the Start button to begin the process and connect your wallet. Watch this. I'm doing it right now on my screen. I hit Start, confirm the connection, and boom. You see that? Easy Solana tokens just hit my wallet instantly. No waiting, no complicated verification, just straight to your balance. The reason everyone is losing their minds over this is because Solana is the ultimate launchpad play. It's built for viral potential. No pre-sales, no hidden contracts, just pure community power. When you see a drop like this linked to a project with this much hype, you know it's the real deal. Don't sleep on this and watch from the sidelines while everyone else gets paid. Go to met-sol.trade right now, hit Start, grab your tokens, and drop a comment below letting me know how much you got. Smash that like button, subscribe for more alpha, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big wave. Let's get it.